Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to color coordinate your color palette with your Instagram story design. So all you have to do right now is open your Instagram and make a story, create your story. And you want to add location. Usually you can add your location by tap on the stickers and use location like this. You can try to open like this. The color is quite boring, like white, rainbow, black and white, the purple. You can change it. Let's delete first the default location. Just add text here and just type a in, for example, space, and add location from this feature. You can tap, for example, this one. As you can see, the coordinate become orange. You can tap another color here, for example the brown, and also you can add a effect here, for example, and also animation. And let's try this one, and you can delete the previous text here, and it's done. You can change the color of your coordinate here. So please read to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. I see you in the next video.